Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can reject an incoming call from the lock screen on your iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments, and also make sure to put your likes. So, let us get started with you. And in the situation when someone calls you on your iPhone, but at this time your phone is in lock mode, then you'll only be able to see who's calling you. And you'll only have a green button on the screen to pick up the phone and talk to the person. But you won't have a red button to reject the call. So how do you do that? To reject a call in this situation, you will need to use this side power button that is on every iPhone. And you just have to press it once. This way, you will reject the incoming call from the locked lock screen. This is the very simple way you will be able to reject incoming calls while the screen is locked. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and see you soon.